Kelsey, back with another video for you guys. So today I'm going to be doing a video on my cat, which she is an outside cat, Casey. As I told y'all, I'm going to be doing a video on my cat, so let's get to it. And she was a stray cat, but she was really nice, and she came to our door, and she is just so nice, and there she is right now. Hold on, there she is. She is so adorable. Just look at that adorable little kitty wig. There she is. She loves rubbing on the camera for some weird reason. Her name is Casey. My mom calls her Casey Jones, but yeah, her name
That's
is
not
Casey.
really her middle name.
Yeah, it's not really her middle name, but my mom just calls her that just to be funny sometimes. And she loves it, and she actually had kittens, which I will show y'all, and I made a picture of. So, yeah, she is just adorable. Look at that adorable kitten. I was about to say kitten. And she is a mama. There's my foot, but she's just adorable. That would be a cute screensaver. She is just adorable little kitten. She has beautiful green eyes, and she loves to play. So she'll probably want to play with this little thingy. But you never know. I just like to stretch. She is so sweet and so friendly, like literally. She is just extremely friendly for a stray. Like, what? She's just extremely ugh. Okay, so there's the kittens right there, and then there's Bentley, my dog. There's 4 kittens, but we don't know where one is. We think it's on my dad's brakes, but we're not for sure. They're just adorable. There is 3 girls and 1 boy. That Casey gave birth to this adorable little kitten. Well, not kitten, but you get my point. What do you see, Casey? What is it? What is it, girl? What is it? She's just so lovable. Okay, shout out to Sarah Peterson. She said, I miss you, Kelsey. That is actually my cousin. But we miss you too, Sarah. Hope you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe and hit that big red button that says subscribe because you don't want to miss out any other fun. Bye! And shout out to Casey.
Random.